And we're still looking at creating assignments in Canvas using Google Docs. And this particular video is going to deal with the topic of creating the assignment inside of Canvas. So here I am in the dashboard of my Canvas account. Notice that I still have the homework assignment up in a tab at the top. You are going to need to be able to have access to that for one step of this process. So from the dashboard, I simply decide which class do I want to put it in. So I'm going to put it in Math 2016-17. And once that comes up, that'll come up to my home page. I just want to go to Assignments. And the reason this is gray right now is because I have not created any in this account yet. When I do, it'll turn black, which tells me I have assignments and that students can see the assignment button. So I click on the Assignments button, and I'm going to create an assignment. So I go up to the green button here, click on it, and this should take me to the rich text editor. I want to give my assignment a name. I'm just going to call it Homework. And then what I want to do is I want to create a link to that Google Doc for the students to be able to access it. And not only for them to be able to access it, but actually so that this particular doc, it'll force them to make a copy of this doc into their Google Docs, so that they're not all working on the same document I created, but they're all working on their own individual copy of that document. So what I've done is I've begun to type up some directions for them. Click here to force a copy of the assignment. I'm going to take my cursor and then highlight all of that. I could just highlight the word assignment if I want to, or just click here. But I'm going to go ahead and click all of it. Then I'm going to click on this button right here, Link to URL. And this is where I said you have to have your document open. So you go up here into the address bar and you right-click, copy. That has copied it onto the clipboard. Go back to here, right-click, paste, and one last important step, take out that four-letter word edit and replace it with the four-letter word copy. And then click Insert Link. So now when they click on this, it'll force a copy. It'll actually take them to a place where it says, do you want to make a copy? And they'll do that, and that'll put it on their Google Drive as a separate document, not a joint document. After you've given them the link, if you choose to, you can also add some further instructions, directions, clarifications before sending it out to the students. Now, as we get to the bottom here, there are several options that you have. How many points do I want this particular assignment to be worth? Is it an assignment? Yes, it is. Graded by points, letter grade, not graded, using percent, complete, incomplete. Did they just do what they were asked to do and then they'll get all the points? I'm going to make this an online submission. File uploads. You could require peer reviews before turning it in. Okay, I'm just going to assign this to one student, but I could assign it to all. I'm going to make it due Wednesday. I am going to make it available from today through Friday. Okay. And once I've got everything set up the way that I want it, I just go ahead and click on Save and Publish. Since I didn't assign it to everyone, that question came up. Okay, now it shows me what the document looks like, and what I'm going to show you in the next video deals with adding a rubric so that you can quickly grade this type of assignment.